all of EP2 students, how are you today? I hope today you are having a good condition, healthy and joyful also. This week we have started to study a lesson. Okay, now for the whole of this academic year, Mom Deborah will teach spelling for EP2. So EP2, now you meet with Mom Deborah again. Okay, I hope that you are excited to learn spelling with me. Are you ready? Okay. Today the topic is 2-syllable root words. What is root here mean? Look at the picture here. You have a picture of a tree and there is root over here. Root here, the root words means the base of the words. Okay, so we are going to learn one by one. Are you ready? Okay, now next slide. What is root word? Root word is the word or word part that can form the basis of new words through the addition of prefix and suffix. What is prefix and suffix? Prefix means the addition word, the addition letters before the word. The suffix is the letters or a word before, after the words, and usually it will make or create a new word. For example, here there's the word finished. This finished has suffix, while the root word actually in this word is finish. So finish is called as a root word. Do you understand until here? Okay, no problem if you don't understand yet. You may study again the slide and then you may ask me question if you don't really understand about this. I will continue to the next slide. Syllable. Syllable is a unit of spoken language that consists of one or more vowel sounds alone or with one or more consonant sounds coming before or following. So, how do we cut a word, okay, that consists of one or more vowel in the word usually? How to say a word then is called as a syllable. For example, my name is Deborah. So how I say the word by cutting or splitting to pronounce it is Deborah because of the vowel or the consonant. And then how about you? How many syllables do you have at your name? Okay, we're going to see the example of some words. Public. How to say it? If we want to split it, then you will say pub and lick, while plastic is plas and tick. There are 2 syllables in public and plastic. How about your name? How many syllables do you have? Okay, some has only one. Are you sure that you only have one syllable in your name? Oh, some has two syllables. That's good. Okay, although it's one or two syllable for your name, no problem. Your name is good because your parents gave you that name. It must be because it has a meaningful thing on your name. Okay, children? Now we are going to continue again. Okay, what do I have now? Oh, okay, now next. Before we have learned about the two syllables, yeah? We also have learned about the root word, okay? So now I'm going to continue with another one, okay? But it's still related with the syllable later on, okay? We're going to learn the phonetic symbol first, okay? When you have A, this is the, if you remember, we have learned this when you were class 1 actually, yeah? Okay? When you have a letter A and then you have a straight line like this, then this letter A will pronounce as a long vowel A. So it's not going to be pronounced as ah anymore, but it will be pronounced as A. Okay, while E, okay, with this symbol, then it will be pronounced as E. This is long vowel I. It will be pronounced as I. And so on also. This is, remember, the symbol for long vowel. So next, if you read a dictionary and then in the phonetics, you will see this kind of symbol. Then you will read the word with the long vowel. Do you got it? Okay, next is short, of course. Short has a different one. It's called as a brief. Okay? Okay, if it is short vowel, then the A is not pronounced as A anymore. Okay, but it's pronounced as ah. Okay, as ah. Good. Can you practice? Open your mouth and then say it again. Ah. Okay. While E is not E, but it's ah. Ah. Good. I is not I, but you will pronounce it as E. O is not O, but O. While U is not U, but Okay, so the sound will be ah, e, o, ah, e, o, Can you practice it by yourself now? Good job, children. Next. Oh, so why do I explain to you about long vowel and short vowel? Because I want you to be able to recognize how to read the two-syllable words. Okay? Number 1, this U has a long or short? This is macaroon or brief? Can you guess? Yes, correct. This is macaroon. Then, it's long or short? I hope that you still remember that this is the symbol of long vowel. Then you will say it as not who, but hue. Okay? Hue and man. So it becomes human. Good job. Okay. Next, second word. This I has another long vowel symbol. So it will be not say as E, but it will be pronounced as I. S and I become sigh. Sigh and lent. Silent. Okay. This E has a different symbol. It's not the long vowel symbol. This is short. So E will not be pronounced as E, but it will be pronounced as eh. So become S and P sounded sp, sp, and L become spl, spl. Plus it with E, short vowel, eh. So splah, splen. And then it's D-I-D, pronounced as did. So it becomes splendid. Okay, next. Short vowel O sounded not O, but O. Okay, so it will be like this. O and B become ob. And then this is jack, become object. Okay, now how do you combine it together into a word? Okay, easy. Just forget about the symbol, okay? Human, silent, splendid, and object. Okay, good. Next, we still have another two-syllable words. Okay, they are picnic, quiet, sudden, suffix, and habit. Okay. Which of these words has a long vowel? Okay, is picnic has a long vowel? I don't think so, yeah? Quiet, is quiet has a long vowel here? Yes, it is. Okay, how about sudden? I don't think so. Suffix? Not also. Habit? Of course, this one also doesn't have any long vowel. It's only quiet has long vowel, yeah? Okay, what do you need to do? You need to match it with the meaning, okay? So find the meaning on the right side over here. Okay, are you ready? If you have your notebook beside you, try to answer first. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Okay? Okay, the time is up. Are you ready? Let's match it together. Picnic. Picnic is? Yes, it's a meal outside. Okay, next, second word. Quiet. Silent. Wow. Did you answer correctly? Okay, next. Sudden. Okay, sudden is taking place quickly. Okay, good job, children. Suffix. Suffix is added at end of a word. Okay, good job. One last word, okay? Habit. Habit means practice. Yes, that's right. Okay, you are doing a very good job. Next, okay. Next, beside two-syllable root words, I will explain to you also about the naming word. What is naming word? Naming word, same like the name itself, naming word, naming, yeah. It's a noun where the word refers to a person, yeah. It's a particular, okay. Person, place, thing, substance, quality, an event, or an emotion, entity, or action. For example, person, you not only say he, she, it, but you can say, for example, the job. Okay, you can say firefighter, doctor, doctor, teacher, dentist, and etc., then it means that you are using naming word. Okay, while place, probably you can say or mention it as school, church, where else? Swimming pool, garden, park, okay? They are called as naming word. And how about the thing? The thing is something around you right now that you can see and then you can touch also. For example, like cupboard, a bed, or maybe table, fan, everything that's around you, and then you can mention the name, then it's called as a naming word. Okay, here is the example. Okay, so person, the naming word is like boy, teacher, driver, doctor. I have said before, yeah. While the place could be school, park, or Arizona, the name of places, zoo. Okay, and then things is like I have explained also pencil, plate, cup, shoe, and everything around you. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to guess the naming word for each place. Okay. Can you guess? I'm so sorry. Probably the picture is not really clear here. Okay. So what is it? Yes, this is school. Good job. Okay. How about this person? This person is a teacher. Wow, very good. Okay. What thing? What is it? Easy, yeah? This one is a bag. Good job. Okay. Okay, that's the end of our lesson for today. Now, what do you need to do? Please go to your Google Classroom. In your Google Classroom, I have prepared a question for you. Okay? I will explain about the question, about what should you do. So now please pay attention. Okay, EP2, you are going to have this kind of exercise. What do you need to do? Okay, very easy. One, this all about the 2-syllable root words. You have to find the meaning of each word by choosing the word. Okay? Next, underline the naming word. Look at on the words over here. Some are the verb, but some others are naming word. So, if it is naming word, underline the word. Easy? Yes, of course. Part C. For number 1, number 2, you just need to choose the answer. Which one is the answer? This one or that one? This one or that one? Okay? Then, write down the answer. Next, point D. On point D, you need to create 2 sentences using the naming words. So you choose any naming word, okay? It could be the person, the place, or the thing, and create a sentence. 2 sentences, okay? Okay, is it clear? If you don't understand about our meeting today, you may ask the question on the Google Classroom. I will answer it. Okay? Now, please turn off the video and then you may open the Google Classroom right now. Thank you, EP2. God bless you.